I think the signing of this short-term agreement with the IMF is a positive news, which will have positive impact both on the economy and politics of Pakistan. To begin with, I think the most important positive implication for the economy is that it has put an end to the uncertainty that had been plaguing Pakistan's economic situation for the past few months. So the economic uncertainty has come to an end. The risk of a short-term default, the risk of a default in the short term has definitely been averted. So that risk is no longer there as far as the short term is concerned. More importantly, I think the signing of this deal will also have some impact on inflation and the PKR currency rate. My own understanding is that Pakistani currency will appreciate against dollar in coming 3 to 5 months, and inflation will be controlled to some degree in the coming months. I think with all these positive implications, it will have a positive impact on the economy, and it also has a positive impact. It also likely has a positive impact on the politics of the country, as well as the whichever government or party comes into power at the end of the elections that are expected in the next 4 to 5 months. That party will have ample time and opportunity to negotiate a new deal with the IMF. And I think both of these developments will translate into some degree of stability and peace for Pakistan.